Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Brigade Xanadu, which is located in Nulambur, Chennai, a project by Brigade Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the project. This is the whole township. Here you can check out the towers which are already been constructed. So it tells that it is a ready to move in project. And about the marketing office, so you can get all the details of the project over here in this Destino Tower on the ground floor. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview. So this is total 33 acres of township with total 19 towers, with each tower of ground plus 6 and 3 floors. And here you'll be getting 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. And one thing to mention over here, currently there is only 1 BHK and 2.5 BHK, that is 1+1 Jodi unit available. And very few units are available, so hurry up. And one more thing, if you're looking for ready to move in property in this location, then this project suits you perfectly because as you can check out the surrounding, the project is ready. So you just need to pack your bags and shift in the project. So that's all. Now about the location part. So this project is located in Nulambur, Chennai. And let me tell you that this is the internal road of the project, and here comes the first entrance, which connects you towards Polamini Highway. And over the second entrance, which will take you over this way. So this way is the second entrance and will connect you towards the famous Sai Baba temple. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So we are more or less 2.5 kilometers away from the project. Coimbatore bus stop is 2.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you luxurious amenities like of garden area, kids play area, aerobic room, amphitheater, 10 acre of tropical garden and luxurious clubhouse. Now about the super built up area, as mentioned in this project you will be getting availability of 1 BHK and 1+1 Jodi unit, that is 2.5 BHK. So 1 BHK is 682 square feet. And 2.5 is 1365 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual flats of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Brigade Xanadu, which is located in Nulambur, Chennai, a project by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.